News published for September 2017. You may also like the Duke of Edinburgh. News published 16 June 2017. News published 19 July 2017. News published 6 July 2017. News published 26 May 2017. News published 15 June 2017. News published 22 May 2017. News published 12 June 2017. You may also like Buckingham Palace. News published 15 May 2017. Feature the Queen's birthday. News published 16 March 2017. News published 8 May 2017. Feature audiences. News published 24 April 2017. Feature 50 facts about the Queen's coronation. In an average year, the Queen receives approximately 60,000 pieces of correspondence. For her Diamond Jubilee in 2012, the Queen received over 120,000 cards, letters and gifts. Most of the Queen's correspondence comes from the UK, on average about 75%. 10% comes from Commonwealth countries, and 15% from other overseas countries. Feature the Queen, the Church and other faiths. Feature the Queen and honors. The oldest ever recipient of a message from the Queen was a Canadian gentleman who reached the age of 116 in December 1984. The Queen and Commonwealth. The Queen meets thousands of people each year in the UK and overseas. Many people ask how they should greet Her Majesty. The simple answer is that there are no obligatory codes of behavior, just courtesy. However, many people wish to observe the traditional forms of greeting. For men, this is a neck bow from the head, only, whilst women do a small curtsy. Other people prefer simply to shake hands in the usual way. On Feature find out more about these special messages from the Queen. Virtual tours Buckingham Palace. Feature the Queen's Buckingham Palace garden parties. Feature discover how the royal family celebrates Easter. Feature the Queen and the Armed Forces. Feature Councillors of State. News published 13 July 2017. News published 12 July 2017. News published 11 July 2017. Feature Royal Ascot.